Hi lads, so here we're going to be drawing an internal tangent between two circles. So again, what you'll need is you'll need your compass, pencil, set square. I have a T-square here, and I have two pens. I also have a few coloured markers, but the pens and the coloured markers, they're not essential for working in the classroom and that. I just have them so I can label things more clearly. Here's the circle A and here's circle B. The first thing you're going to want to do to find this tangent is we have to make a larger circle. So in the external tangent we had a small circle inside the large circle, whereas this time we have to make a larger circle outside the large circle. Okay, and to do that, it's basically the opposite of the external tangent. And the internal tangent, you add the two radiuses. So we'll have 65 plus 35 is 100. Okay, so I'm gonna draw in that. I made a wee bit of a mistake there when I was doing that. Now I let my writing go inside the large circle, which you need to be careful about. Wasn't the greatest idea, but it'll be alright. It won't interfere with what we're trying to do. The next thing you want to do is, much like the last tutorial, is you're going to want to join the two centres. What you're going to want to do then is you're going to want to bisect this line between the two centres. So again, have your compass set to more than the length, the half the length of the line, and just swing your two arcs. Okay, and where these two arcs meet, you can draw in your line where the two arcs intersect, and that there will give you your, that there point there is your midpoint of that line. Now I'm going to draw, same as the last video, I'm going to draw the semi-circle, okay? And in the internal tangent, it's the exact same as the last one. It's where your semicircle hits the circle X. Okay, so I'm going to call this circle X. It's where your semicircle hits circle X. That's where you draw your two parallel lines. It's where your line's going to be drawn to. Okay, and since I drew out there, now I have my first point of contact, which is here. So label that POC. Okay, so POC for point of contact. So that's my first one. Now in the last one, in the external tangent, we took the two lines out the same direction, whereas in the internal tangent, the two lines are still going to be parallel. However, in this, in the internal tangent, you bring it down, so that it goes below the other one, so it's down here. Okay, so that there's your second point of contact. Okay, so there it is there. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to join the two of them points. There we go. And that there is your internal tangent between 2 points. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Cheers lads.